Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me, and it's another new day. I'm here to teach you something new, and yeah, take your cup of coffee, take your cup of tea, settle down, and let's get started. Yeah, I just wanted to teach you something, and we're going to learn how to chat with someone, how to start a chat with someone in Kikuyu. So if you are wherever you are, get prepared and let's get started. Well, the first thing when you meet someone is you ask someone, how are you? How are you? How do I say that in Kikuyu? We mwega. We mwega. And the person will answer, E de mwega. I am fine. Yes, I am fine. Now, let's say for example, you meet a group of people. That means 2, 3, 4, or a lot of people. Now, how do I ask these people? How do I say hello? How are you? How are you doing? Now, I say Moriega. 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 How are you? How are you people? And the people will answer definitely and say E Toriega. E Toriega. Yes, we are fine. Or simply, we are fine. Toriega meaning we are fine. De muega meaning I am fine. Now, let's say for example, the same kind of people you ask would like to ask you, and how are you? Iwe uhanatia. Iwe uhanatia. Nie de muega. Nie de muega. Or you can say onani de muega. Onani de muega. I am also fine. I am also fine. E onani de muega. Or de muega. Now, life is not always fine, and we know sometimes we have ups, sometimes we have downs, and things can always turn the other way around. So what happens if someone says, I'm not doing great? I am not doing great. How do I answer that? Dire muega. Or the person can say, okay, let's say for example you ask them, we mwega, and the person will say, I'm not doing good, or I'm not fine. Asha diraigua wega. Asha diraigua wega. Or the person can say, Asha dikore tuogeigua wega. Asha dikoreto geigua wega. I am not doing fine. I've not been doing fine. I've not been doing well. Asha diraigua wega. Asha dikoreto geigua wega. Now, let's go ahead and continue our chat with our next to kin, or with our partners outside there. Now, the next thing you ask someone, how was your day? How was your day? Muthenya waku ukuhanaga atia? Muthenya waku ukuhanaga atia? How was your day? Muthenya, the day. Waku, your day. Ukuhanaga atia? How was it? How was your day? Muthenya waku ukuhanaga atia? Muthenya waku okuhanaga atia? How was your day? I will answer and say, my day was fine. My day was fantastic. Muthenya wakwa uma mwega fiu. Muthenya wakwa uma mwega fiu. Muthenya meaning my day. Wakwa is possession, my. Uma mwega fiu, it was fine, very fine. Fiu meaning very. Muthenya wakwa uma mwega fiu. Muthenya wakwa uma mwega fiu. How was your day? Muthenya waku okuhanaga atia? Muthenya waku okuhanaga atia? Muthenya wakwa uma mwega fiu. My day was fine, or I had a fantastic day. You can even say thiko yakwa yuma jega, or you can say nyuma na thiko jega. Nyuma na thiko jega. Thiko meaning my day or day. Jega, fine, nice, everything fantastic. Now, you can go ahead and ask someone, what were you doing? Owe kagatia. Owe kagatia. What were you doing? Or how did you spend your day? Watida ogekatia. Watida ogeka atia. How did you spend your day? Watida ogekatia. Or owekaga atia. What were you doing during the day? Watida ogeka atia. Or owekaga atia. Now, let's say for example, I was busy during the day and I had some errands. I went to the market, I shopped, I went for a meeting, and so on and so forth. Now, how do I answer? I was busy. I was busy. Nyuma na wera moige. Nyuma na wera moige. I was busy. Or I had a lot to do. Or I had a lot of work. Nyuma na wera moige. Wera meaning job or work. Moige, a lot. Nyuma na wera moige. Or you can even say datida geruta wera moige. Datida geruta wera moige. Or you can say datida maweraine maige. Datida maweraine. That's the plural form of a lot of work or work. Maige, mawera, that's a lot of work. Maige, a lot. Datida, geruta, mawera, maige. Koruta wera, meaning I was doing some work. I had some work. I did some work. Koruta wera. Koruta wera. Now, let's say, for example, you are a woman like I am, and most probably you went shopping, you went to the market. How do I answer that? Nyuma dhoko. Nyuma dhoko. I was in the market. Dhoko meaning market. Nyuma dhoko. I was in the market. Nyuma dhoko. Or you can say, I went shopping. Nyuma kogora ido. Nyuma kogora ido. I went shopping. Nyuma kogora ido. Nyuma kogora ido. Or nyuma doko. I went to the market. I went shopping. Now, there are many things you can say. If you are a man, for example, you can say, I went to work. Nyuma wera. I went to work. Nyuma wera. Or you can even say, I worked from morning till evening. Nyuma wera kuma roshine ginya hwaine. Nyuma wera kuma roshine ginya hwaine. Roshine is morning. Hwaine is evening. Nyuma wera, I was at work. I was working. Nyuma wera kuma roshine ginya hwaine. Nyuma wera kuma roshine ginya hwaine. There are many things you can say, but this will be another video for another day. We will describe how stuff we do, activities we do during the day, or what we do in our day-to-day life. Now, you're still chatting with somebody or that someone, and you have already asked, how was your day? What have you been doing? So let's say, for example, you want to ask that person, are you tired? We munogu. Are you tired? We munogu. E de munogu. Yes, I am tired. E meaning yes. De munogu. I am tired. E de munogu. Are you tired? E de munogu. Yes, I am tired. Now, if someone says, yes, I am tired, you might probably even be interested to know, so what time will you be going to sleep? What time will you be going to sleep? Ogo digo koma da shigana. Ogo die go koma, sleeping, da shigana. What time? Ogo die go koma da shigana. When will you be going to sleep? When will you be going to sleep? I'll be going to sleep at 9 p.m. I'll be going to sleep at 9 p.m. Go Diego, dai dato shiotuko. Go Diego, dai dato shiotuko. Go Diego, I'll go to sleep dai dato shiotuko at 9 p.m. Now, you might be interested to know, so why do you want to go early to bed? Why do you want to go early to bed? Or you want to ask, why will you go to sleep at 9? Why will you go to sleep at 9? Ogo Diego dai dato neki. Ogo Diego dai dato neki. Why will you go to sleep at 9? The person might answer, because tomorrow I'll be working. Neodorosio nega korowera. Neodorosio nega korowera. Because I'll be working tomorrow. Because I'll be working tomorrow. Nyodo roshio nega koro wera. Or nyodo roshio nega ruta wera. Nyodo roshio nega ruta wera. Because I'll be working tomorrow. Because I'll be going to work tomorrow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you again so much for being for joining me tonight. Thank you for following up, and it's my wish we will catch up next time at the same place and also at the same time. Keep subscribing, keep liking, commenting, and even sharing this to your friends. And till we meet another time, thank you so much, and God bless you till next time. Bye bye.